Good afternoon, everyone. So the today's topic is gaseous exchange through lungs. The main respiratory part of the human and higher animal is lungs. So this is the parts of lungs. The outer part of lung is called epiglottis. This portion is called epiglottis. Then the lower portion is called larynx. In larynx, the sound is produced in case of animal and human. That is why larynx is called sound box. So epiglottis, then larynx, then the tube-like structure is called trachea, and the outer solid ring of trachea is called tracheal ring. Then the trachea entered into the lungs as a form of bronchitis or bronchus. Then this portion bronchus is divided into bronchioles. Trachea entered into the lungs. Then trachea divided into bronchus. Then bronchus divided into bronchioles. Then at the end portion of bronchioles there is a balloon-like structure. Shallow balloon-like structure is called alveoli. There are plenty of alveoli in lungs. When the carbon dioxide comes from the veins, then carbon dioxide comes out from the veins in alveoli, and oxygen. In the case of inspiration, we take oxygen. Oxygen comes in the alveoli and entered into the arteries. So the blood is purified. Carbon dioxide mixed blood from carbon dioxide mixed, but carbon dioxide comes out in alveoli, and oxygen comes out from alveoli to artery. So the purification of blood happens in case of lungs. Clear? The process is called diffusion. So oxygen goes out from the alveoli, and carbon dioxide enter into the lungs, and we exhale the carbon dioxide through the process of expiration. This is the total gaseous exchange in case of lungs. So again, the outer portion is called epiglottis. This larynx. Tube-like structure is called trachea. The ring in the trachea is called tracheal ring. Then the trachea divided into bronchus. Bronchus divided into bronchioles. Bronchioles divided into alveoli. In case of alveoli, the gaseous exchange take place. The impure blood, where carbon dioxide is occurred, impure blood exhale the carbon dioxide into the lung, and we exhale the carbon dioxide into the environment through the process of expiration, and we intake oxygen and intake mixed with the blood through alveoli by the process of diffusion. There are mainly two processes of respiration. Inspiration, oxygen is entered into the lung, and expiration, when the carbon dioxide comes out through the lung. There are plenty of muscle which is help in respiration. The lower membrane is called diaphragm. There is a lower membrane beneath the lungs is diaphragm, and the outer intercostal muscles which help in the process of inspiration and expiration. There are also a rib cage. This is the rib or sternum. There is a skeletal which is help in the case of inspiration and expiration in the lung. And the outer membrane of lung is called pleura. Pleura is divided into two parts: outer pleural membrane and inner pleural membrane. The outer membrane is called pleura. The outer portion is outer pleural membrane, inner portion is inner pleural membrane. This is the total process of gaseous exchange through lungs.